Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here, one most awaited jobs in UPCL, Uttarakhand Power Corporation Limited. I think after 5 years it has been given that in the UPCL jobs for assistant engineer, for electrical mechanical trainee, assistant civil, account officer, law officer, personal officer, senior industrial engineer. Okay, the pay scale will be seventh pay commission. According to seventh pay commission, 5400 grade pay will be there, and there is much more vacancy. I think this is the 72 vacancies for ENM, 7 vacancies for civil, and account officer 15, law officer 2, okay, and personal officer 5, 8, and senior industrial engineer 1 vacancy. Okay, the age limit will be 42 years on 1st January 2021, and the reservation policy will be according to your state. Now essential qualification for assistant engineer will be BTech and AME. Okay, marks will be minimum 50%, and the relevant field BTech will be with the relevant field. If you are filling the assistant engineer electrical, you have to BTech with electrical, this is obvious. And the selection procedure will be written test and interview, and the written test will be 3 hours during part 1 and part 2 concern subject, following by the interview shortlist candidate on the basis of qualification criteria of 40 marks of general OBC and the 30% of SC/ST category. And the electrical part 1, okay, the law officer will be the 5-year experience in legal department, PSUs, and selection procedure will be the written test will be there. Okay, the account officer qualification is CA, ICWA, MBA in finance, and preferential qualification 2 years in the relevant post qualification experience. And the selection procedure will be the written examination there, and the senior industrial engineer will be the 7-year post qualification experience, and the selection procedure of senior industrial engineer will be done on the basis of interview only. Okay, and other posts there will be the written test. And upper age limit will be 42 years, and the age relaxation is for 5 years for SC/ST OBC candidate. And the written test center will be the Dehradun, Haridwar, Srinagar, Pantnagar, Almora. Application fees is 800 for the general OBC EWS candidate, 400 for the SC/ST category of Uttarakhand state. Submission of the form will be at the Pantnagar University. I will give the link in the description box. You can directly go there and fill the form, and you have to fill the online application at 16th April 2021 midnight, and you have to send the printout at the coordinator test and selection, Lombard Square Guest House, GB Pant University at Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar district, Udham Singh Nagar, before 26th April. Okay, so please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thank you, good day and take care. I will upload latest jobs for you. Thank you, good day and take care.